Clear to te lalpai swamingin chibai ule tunkar chunga North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna Chanchin Thar clear ni lawngai thlang u General Shwai to program in Bulchanila General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Soma Sai Lo Chuan July ni riat le ni kwa Khan Churachampur District Board Atelpuya ni som le som pakhat Khan Imphal District Board Telpui le in ni som pahni Khan dam takin aizol athleng General Secretary Reverend Arlarin Sang Amol Pui Kohshana General Treasurer Reverend Zoming Tanzama Tuikhuatlanga General Missions Director Reverend Arlal Hoya Salem Kohshana General Sunday School Director Reverend Arlai Chingpuya ITI Kohshana Kumsang ni sompako chunga Sunday School Zirlaibu edit na thokalmek ani Kumsang ni sompako hian puitling Sunday School a zol nei tele khabu Pastor C mang thang bunga ziak zirtura ni dona editing nangor taka thokin an board member ten an boypui mek ani North Mizoram District Noya Pathian thu zirna Pentecostal School of Ministry PSM Juan July ni ruk zirtop ni khan District Headquarters biak in Tuikhuatlanga Graduation Day an mang Graduation Day in Khomhi Calvary Bible College Principal Reverend Lalpiak Lian Sungte, General Secretary Reverend Arlarin Sangale, Reverend Zoming Tanzama General Treasurer Ten Antman Pui. PSM Principal Reverend Lalruattluangi in Khom Kai Shwain, Program Lanna Reverend Silal Mulyana Hun Tharbial to Pastorin Aneya, Result Puanna PSM Secretary Reverend Chiarpuyan Anei Thung. Kumin hian zirlai somthum pathum omin graduate pakwa an oma zirlai graduate tehi Evan F Lalchan hima thingdol Evangelist JH Malsom Dongliana Chaltlang Unaw pa Vanal Hausa a Kolasip Vengthar Unaw pa PC Laram Chuan Moya Bairabi Evangelist Lalbiak Chunga Kangmun Unaw pa Philip VL Muchwaka Headquarters Evangelist H Zoram Sanga Kolasip Diakon Unaw pa Vanal Chanpuya Chot Munle, Unaw nu Lalbiak Kimi Kon Moite Anni. Graduate Conferring Calvary Bible College Principal Reverend Lalpiak Lian Sungte Chuan Nein, Thucha Asoy Ngala, Graduate 30 Puala Tongtrai Sakna Reverend RC Puya Chuan Nein, PSM Zirtir 2 IO in Reverend Sila Ramwanan Thucha Asoya, Zirlaite IO in Evan F Lalchan Himan Valedictory Sermon Asoy Bok. Graduate 30 Paul Hian PSM Managing Board in Zandria Abwat Saisak Ani. North Mizoram District Missions Department Juan July ni som pakhatle ni som panhi khan District Headquarters back in Tuikhuatlanga Missionary Retreat and Bwat Sai. Missionary Retreat a hian missionary te antel kimbaka District Puipa Pathum Reverend Lalruattluangi District Superintendent Reverend Chiarpuya District Secretary le Reverend Kelal Dusanga District Treasurer ten an ho Retreat in Khom na ni khatna chomma in Khom District Missions Treasurer Evangelist JH Malsom Donglianan Kai Shwain Administration ti thupui mangin Reverend Kelal Dusanga District Treasurer Chuan Zirtirna Aneya Chonulama Retreat chunjom le ni in Evangelist RK Vanlalngaya District Missions Secretary Chuan in Khom Akai Shwai Thunga Missionary Ethics ti thupui mangin Reverend Chiarpuya District Secretary Chuan Zirtirna apebok July ni som panhi ninga ni khan retreat chunjomin District Missions Director Reverend Silal Thantluangan in Khoma Kaishwaya Chomhalama District Superintendent Reverend Lalruattluangi hne atungin evangelism ti le thupui mangin zirtir na ngai thak ani Chonulam in Khom District Mission Secretary Evangelist RK Vanlalngayan in Khom Kaishwain District Missions Director Reverend Silal Thantluangan hne atungin financial ti thupui mangin zirtir na ngai thak ani bok Tundin Muna North Mizoram District Huam Chunga Hian Mission Field Pakwa Min Thoktu Pakwa an ani an rawngbawlna munte Evangelist Larampana Marpara Unaw nu Lalbiak Zoli West Phulpui Evangelist Isak Lalruattlua Persang Unaw nu Esther Rawngbawli Bible Women Bajerung Unaw nu Kolliani Kolalian Unaw nu Lalsiam Liani Damdiai Evangelist Arias Lalunmoya Vongonzo Evangelist Lalunzira Dilzol Evangelist Shang Chankuma Razali July ni riat pathian ni khan Thenzol Bial Chunga Police Training School PTS Thenzol Preaching Point to Northeast India Huam Chunga Kaushan Pakhat ni Turin North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Lalruattluangi Chuan Kaushan Puitlinga Ahlangkai Reverend Lalruattluangi Bial to Pastor Chuan Inkhom Kai Shwain Kaushan Secretary Unaw Pa PC Ring Liana Chuan Kaushan Report Apea District Superintendent Reverend Lalruattluangi Chuan Pathian Thu Ezekiel Abung Som Paruk Chang Somli Palile Mathai Abung Som Paruk Chang Som Pariat Thu Chiarin Hun Enge Mochen Thenzol PTS Preaching Point ni Thin Chu Lalpa Iswamin Kaushan Puya Ahlangkai ta ani Preaching Point Kaushan Ahlangkai Inkhoma Hian Thenzol Bial Chunga Rawngbawlna Tebaka Thenzol Bial PYD Tele Aizol Lamatanga Chimtu Enge Mozat Antelbok July ni riat pathian ni khan reng dil bial to Pastor Silal Thlenglian Chuan Kolalian Mission Field to in Mithar Paruk Kaushana Asenglut Kolaliana hian thoktu missionary unaw nu kholya ni omin arongbawlna pathian in malasoma Mithar Senglu na hun nei rol hian swalngai damna baptisma changmi pali omin naw pahni hlan ngal ani bok Pastor hian nu pa tuak sari lalpa iswaminga kutsui thatna anei ngal bok June ni somni pani zirtop ni khan unaw pala ziding liana Shipho Mission Department Treasurer ti chungkwa chuan pathian hena lom thu soi choi moina nein bial to Pastor Silal Thlengliana chu speaker atan man ani he choi moina huna hian tharau revival du om tak thlengin unaw pala ziding liana nu unaw nu lel nga ki kumchom kwa chuan Pastor tongtaina kal tlangin damna ro pui tak achang Shipho Kaushana hian kumin chungin choi moina tumthum om to in chol om manglavin tharau revival ala thengreng ani Pathianikal ta July ni riat khan bial to Pastor Reverend Arlal ni thanga chuan bial fangin phai nuam bethel atloa Pentecostal Kaushan huanga Mithar chung ko khat Kaushana asenglut Mithar hi chung ko khat member paruk omnani in puitling pali an oma naw pani pathian hena hlan ani Bial to Pastor hian Mithar chung nu le pa baka Kaushan member ni sa member te baptisma achantir ngalbok North Mizoram District Headquarters BLPYD te chuan July ni sarile niriat inrui ni le pathian ni mangkhan headquarters back in tui khwatlanga kumchan ve in to khom an mang Meet program in rin zing dar somle achan ve a tanin bial chung PYD te mason na tour items shang Bible quiz group singing le debate at te in elna nei ani a education committee lamshwai tu te hne na tengin chalai te azon na konga mathlir shang soihon na nei adibok in rin ni zana tengin revival program hun lim om tak mangin in rin ni zana tanga atuk pathian ni zan thlengin speaker Pastor P Vanal Phila hne na tengin pathian thu changai thlak thin ani North Mizoram District Headquarters Bial de Chuan July ni riat pathianikal ta zan khan an bial chung Kaushan panga Mission Veng Thang Headquarters Nursery Tuikwal South le Khadla South Kaushana District in flagship program akal puimek thiang limna campaign nein campaigner te an fe chuak North Mizoram District Shwaitu te hun mandan District Superintendent Reverend Lalruattluangi Chuan July ni sompali le sompanga inri ni le pathian ni manghian kangmun biala kangmun Kaushana pathian chomoina program le speaker a tangin rawngbawlna anei District Missions Director Reverend Silal Thlengluanga Chuan July ni sompanga pathian ni hian buk pui bial thingthel Kaushan biak in thar hongin rawngbawlna anei Durtlang bial thiang hlimna committee malak na in June ni somthum inrin ni khan Durtlang mual veng bek ina bial huapin zugle muam laka thiang hlimna campaign nei ani campaign hi Mizoram State Tobacco Control Society atengin Aizol Civil Hospital social worker Pilar Rasang Zautele Mizoram State Cancer Institute psychologist H. Remrod Puile State Referral Hospital Falcon atengin puvanal ve na ten man puin kalkhom ten he na zugle muamin mishing taksa ati chiat na sat thei zia zirtir na an pe a kalkhom ten hlok thlak an ti hle ani program hi Reverend RC Puya Chairman Durtlang Bial Thiang Hlimna Committee in Kashwain Bial Thiang Hlimna Committee Secretary Unaw Pa Arlan Moyan report ape a reporta alandanin Durtlang Bial Thiang Hlimna Committee te hian Kumma salampo bial chunga Kohhran department shang zinga le no pang Sunday school te zugle Muhammad thiang limna campaign hilo nei to in an malagna awang hian mi za somthum pali la in zugle Muhammad thiang lim turin pledge signature an lo nei to ani he campaign a hian mi som kwa chuang lai kal khomin Reverend Lalruattluangi Sailo bial to pastor chuan mal som tung tai na in huna khara zanria lim takin an kil ho ani Tlang nom bial LED te chuan July ni sari pathian ni khan sam tlang biak ina revival meet an nei bial LED president sister Lalram tiami Sailowin in khom akai shwaya unaw nu mangchaki unaw nu lalchoi moi bial LED secretary le bial to pastor Reverend Kemal somtwang aten thu soi rawngbawlna an nei July ni som pakhat le som pani chung khan Aizawl East district board voiza som pak nga na chu district committee room a nei ani District Board a hian kumsang ni som pakwa Kohhran in Rawngbawlna ani le ta ka wanga zugle muam thiang limna konga chakzo kam malak rot na te statistic chungchang baptisma nauhlan le in ni report dan fil fai zok rot na te August haram mu chungchang ba ka nalan headquarters back in chale sakthat dil na te ba ka silver jubilee committee budget estimate approved dil na te le RL dil na chungchang te an ngai tua Aizawl East District Board a hian bial atangin rural palai antel kim theya District Board member atan khobung bial to pastor HP Ram Fangzawa nalan bial to pastor RL Fam Kimale ngau pa bial to pastor K Vanal Himpuya chu District Superintendent hian laklu na anei ngal ani tundin muna UPC Aizawl East District chunga hian bial somthuma twal chung Kohhran za somrial vel anom mek ani Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent Chuan Board hi akai shwai July nilai ni khan Aizawl East District Missions Department kumchan ve District Board nei ani Board hi District Missions Director Reverend Dar Thonan akai shwaya an rural poimo zwalde Dimapur Field Dipu biak in District Missions Department in asak mek la zolo chu chunjom le turati ni in shwai tu ten akal thei tur zongin atul anga bo zui ni se Northeast India Missions Field chunga building saktur te chu General Building Committee in Railfield masachin se hemi Railfield tur hian committee din turin General Missions Department a thlen ni se Home Missionaries short term le long term roi mek dan ennon ani Khobung local back in Sakmek Polin kumsang ni Sombria District Missions Conference pathian ni chonu a tholom khon chati ani Aizawl East District Missions Department Board hian kumchan ve board nget nei chati in kumtin July ni ngani masaber chu kumchan ve board nget atan ada ani board a hian bial somthuma tingin rural palai bial somni pali atingin ankal khom ani July ni zirtop ni khan Aizawl East District PYD Noi Environment Protection Committee te malak na in thingsul thia bial se song veng thara le veng pui biak in compound a thingpun natlang nei ani he huna hian Environment Protection Committee member baka Aizawl khopui chunga tingin member sompanga an thok chhuaka thingsul thia bial to pastor Reverend rawngbawlna baka bial PYD OB10 thingsul thia an lo dongsonga Aizawl atanga natlang turakal te hi tuk thwan an lo bot sai sak ani Thingpun natlanga hian thingsul thia biala changpo in PYD member engemozat chuan telpuin thingchiak somli chuang an phuna thingsul thia biak in compound a phun turin thingchiak engemozat anda bok July ni riat pathian ni khan bongkon serchib le Upper Republic biala bial education malak na in education awareness campaign nei ani July ni riat pathian ni chonu a bongkon bial PYD education subcommittee te buat sain PenNet Sunday School hall a nei ani a bial education subcommittee chairman unaw pa HKL nei sanga chuan aka kai shwain unaw nu RCL fokumin hunser amang he huna hian resource person a MPSC assistant controller of examination pulal som zwala chu manni in ani ne na tang hian zirlai te fuina thu thatak tak baka an zirzel na tura kongpoimo shang tengai thak ani resource person hi pu Michael Laram sanga MZP General Headquarters Treasurer baka Colby Hansen Columbia University USA te chuan troi omin ani ne na tang hian fuina thu thatak tak ngai thak ni in zone le chan na hun hlok tak an mangbok bongkon bial PYD ten Education Awareness Campaign an mana hian bial chunga zirlai ti thate choimoi na hun man ngal ni in bial chunga tengin PYD member enge mozat he huna hian an kal thea lok thak an ti hle ani Serchip bial PYD Education Committee te chuan Electric Vengno Pang Sunday School Zirlai Te Polling Campaign hi an buat saya bial Education Chairman Unaw Pala Lalruattluangi chuan he hun hi kai shwain Unaw Pala Ral tele Unaw nu H biak sang zwali te chuan zirlai no pangte an zirna konga poimo tur shang te shilshiat na le kong ko hmu na lam hoi thu cha an soi Serchip bial PYD Education Subcommittee te hian tual chung kaushan panga a campaign hi nei tu in tuna hian local pakhata nei le turin rahman na an siam meka zirlai ti thate choimoi na hun le sum tuak nan quiz bot sai an tum mek bok ani Upper Republic Bial Education malak na in July ni riat pathiani zan khan Upper Republic kaushana Education Awareness Campaign an neya resource person atan Evangelist F Malsom tuanga an mang Upper Republic Bial chunga local tina campaign hi nei tura rawngbawlna siamin August ha hian top nan Republic veng thlang kaushana hun an mangle don ani July ni sompali inrinni khan Aizawl East District Bethlehem veng thlang kaushana atung rukna atan michenhem ngai te thokhom mangin pathian hne na lom thu soi choi moina nei ani choi moina hian speaker atan Evangelist Arvan chunga man ani Bethlehem veng thlang kaushana hian June ni somparuk khan unaw pa sila nun moi te chung kwa chuan pathian choi moina hi an lo nei to a heta hian speaker Evangelist H Lallimpuya man ni in June ni somni pathum khan Evangelist Laramzawa te chung kwa chuan pathian choi moina hi an nei le a June ni somthum khan unaw pa JH Ramherlian te chung ko kal tlangin choi moina hi chunjom le ani July ni khat pathian ni khan unaw pa zawram chanete chung kwa chuan choi moina hi an nei le a July ni rukzir tom ni khan upa si shang zwala te chung ko kaltlangin choi moina hi an nei le bok July ni khat pathian ni khan Aizawl East District Nalan UPC venglaya mithar pani kaushana senglu an ni Nalana hian Pastor Arlal Famki machubial tu pastorin a ommekani Aizawl East District North Vanlai Phar Bial PYD Shwai tu te chuan tun lai hian Bial Fund Program an mang mek zela July ni sari inrin ni zan le July ni riat pathian ni mang khan lungkol lokala rawngbawlna an neya July ni somni pakhat le ni somni panhi hian North Vanlai Phai khuchunga local thum rol khang leilet le headquarters lokala hun an mang le anga July ni somni pariat le ni kwa kholai lung bung mun le kholai lung din thara hun an mang le don ani Bial Fund Program an mana hian Bial Shwai tu te chuan thusoi rawngbawlna a chhokin an nei thin ani June ni somni panhi atanga July ni li thleng khan Aizawl East District Revival Committee te hmalak na in kolkul venglai kaushana Revival Crusade bot sai ani Revival Crusade a hian speaker atan Evangelist H Lallimpuya District Revival speaker chu man ni in zaimi te ba ka team member parukten an troi om Speaker le atim te rawngbawlna lalpan mala soma crusade nei chung zantin tharau thiangnim dong thar an oma mi pariatin lalpa iswa minga swal ngai damna baptisma changin mithar pakhat kaushana senglu ani July nili nilai ni khan kaushanin pathian hena lom thu soi choi moina an nei bok Evangelist H Lallimpuya le atim te hian tun pathian ni hian kolkul veng thar kaushana crusade an nei zui le mek ani Aizawl East District ten kumsang he sombakwa me niriata kumsom ni panga antlin Silver Jubilee lo thleng turata na anin boy sai na kalmeka hetiangin subcommittee pathum le shwai tu turte an siam thar documentary film convener Evan VL nga ka chongthu secretary unaw palaram moya member Evangelist Sila Nunsang le unaw pa kelal biang nunga souvenir committee convener Evangelist Laramzawa Secretary Tual Upa Laltho Moya Member Unaw Palaram Moyle Upa Siz Nuna Refreshment Committee Convener Upa JH Rozona Secretary Tual Upa Silal Thamwana Member Unaw Palal Thansanga Kolni Upalal Felkima Evangelist VL Nga Kachong Thule Evan Vanlal Tuanga Silver Jubilee lo thleng tur Paul hian Jubilee choir din tura ti ni in choir member atan aizol kho pui chunga bial sang zai pol te churat an ni a hlazir le tul anga hmala turin district PYD Music and Sound Committee te churat an ni Silver Jubilee Committee hian budget estimate atan cheng noi som an romhan ani July ni som atanga ni som pathum chung khan lunglei district office le district conference hall a district Kohhran CEC school offset press department le subcommittee peng shang te sum audit ani Kohhran CEC school le offset press account te evangelist F lal mangaya evangelist din puya sailo le upasi lal mangaya ten an audita department sum le subcommittee sum te reverend C vanal ena reverend Lalruattluangi Khiangte le unau palal lalom omaten an audit ani July ni som panga pathian ni hian lunglei district PCD shwai tu te chuan Ramthar AOC lokala PCD campaign an nei dona hehun hi district PCD secretary Silaram Monpuya chuan akai shwayanga treasurer Jacob Ram Engmoya chuan campaign hi aneyang chonulama district PCD shwai tu te le Ramthar AOC local PCD te hian fellowship in hun an mangchun jom le don ani July ni rat pathian ni khan lunglei district Tlabung Bial conference rorel bo zuin Tlabung Bial chunga local tina Bial shwai tu te insem darin financial campaign anneya Tlabung locala upapi lalbuka Bial treasurer zodin locala unau pa lalswan moya Bial secretary le chonpui locala pastor Arlel Remsia maten financial campaign hi annei ani July ni riat pathian ni khan lunglei college veng lokala mithar pani puitling kaushana senglu anni July ni atanga ni rukchung khan lunglei district home mission field zetet missionary quarters sakna chupu pui local PMD 10 an thoka lo amai thei turin peifel ani to tuna hian zetet field da hian home missionary in unau palarin zola chu a ommek ani Bolpui V Home Missionary Quarters po sakmek ani a July ni kwa thole ni khan a foundation chungin ban an phuntan to ani Bolpui V field da hian evangelist Arla Rokho ma chu Home Missionary in a ommek bok July ni sompanga pathian ni hian venglun local te chuan PCD ni an mangdona speaker atan district secretary le district PCD senior advisor ni bok reverend C vanal ena chu an mangang he inko ma hian PCD 10 item shang solo recitation le worship dance mangin pathian choi moina an nei don ani ole khati zong kha tun tumata na North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna Chanchin Thar kan thlir le ngai thak ho le theite ani e